Why don't you ever give a senior in a nursing home a calendar for a gift? Because they say it's only old news to them. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on gifts for seniors in nursing homes. Tip 1. Understand their personal interests and hobbies. It's important to keep in mind that seniors are individuals with particular preferences and hobbies. Hence, a gift that aligns with their interests, such as a crafting kit to a senior who enjoys arts, or a book of a favorite author to an avid reader, can be a unique and thoughtful gift. They would appreciate the fact that the gift reflects their personal interest. Tip 2. Consider their mobility. Some seniors in nursing homes may struggle with mobility, so consider gifts that can accommodate these limitations and simplify their daily routine, like an easy-to-open container or a rolling walker. Tip 3. They might benefit from technology. Seniors might appreciate simple tech gadgets that offer entertainment or keep them connected with family, such as a digital photo frame or a simplified tablet purposely built for seniors. Tip 4. Gifts that promote relaxation. Many seniors in nursing homes might love items that contribute to relaxation and stress relief. Comforting items like a plush robe, lavender-infused pillows, or a white noise machine may help them secure better sleep and feel more comfortable. Tip 5. Personalized gifts. Personalized gifts like custom-made jewelry, photo albums, or a blanket with family pictures can be heartwarming to seniors and make them feel closer to their families regardless of the physical distance. Tip 6. Consider their room size. While shopping for seniors, remember that nursing home spaces are typically small and cluttered, so it's better to opt for practical small gifts, like compact home decorations or a lovely wall calendar. Tip 7. Pick gifts that promote mental engagement. Seniors need to keep their minds nimble and active. Therefore, choose educational books, challenging puzzles, crosswords, or brain game toys that trigger their cognitive skills. Tip 8. Consider comfort items. Many seniors face physical discomfort. Items like a heated blanket, memory foam pillow, wheelchair cushion, or an ergonomic backrest can be a worthwhile and comforting present for them. Tip 9. Consider practical items. Everyday use items such as a portable radio, easy grip utensils, or an easy-to-read wristwatch can be practical and useful gifts for seniors in nursing homes. Tip 10. Entertainment items are always a good choice. Most seniors appreciate things that help pass time and keep them entertained. An easy-to-read large print book, an audiobook or DVD collection of their favorite shows can be excellent choices. Tip 11. Consider healthcare aids. Some seniors would appreciate gifts that can help improve their health or address some health concerns. Items such as a pill organizer, blood pressure monitor, or glasses cleaning kit can prove very handy and practical for their daily routine.